Dividing complex numbers. Here we're going to divide 4 minus 3i by 2 plus 5i. Well, we can never have an imaginary number in our denominator, so what we have to do is similar to finding a conjugate. Well, we had 2 plus 5i in the denominator there. Well, if we think of it in terms of a conjugate, changing the sign that's in front of the imaginary number would be the conjugate. We would take that and multiply that, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by that. So 2 minus 5i times both the numerator and the denominator, which would be thought of as the conjugate of the 2 plus 5i by changing the sign in front of the imaginary number. So when we do that, we will use the FOIL method to multiply the numerators together. And using that, the first term gives us 8, second term negative 20i, then the inner gives us negative 6i, and then the last plus 15i squared. And then the denominator, as we see it there, using the FOIL method, we combine like terms and use the idea that I squared is equal to negative 1. So when I squared is equal to negative 1, when we go back and we replace I squared with negative 1, the signs are going to change for the number that's in front of it. So combining like terms, the minus 5i plus 5i cancels itself out in the denominator, and we're left with the 25 minus 25 times the negative 1. So further simplifying here, we see that we wind up with negative 7 minus 26i in our denominator, in our numerator rather, and then in our denominator we have 29. But we have to leave our final result as a constant plus the imaginary number. So in this case, negative 7 divided by 29 minus 26i divided by 29. And we have to leave our final result in this form where we have the constant minus our imaginary number.